Every product in the market shows different elasticity of demand, ranging from 0 to infinity. Okay, in this video we are going to learn the 5 degrees of elasticity of demand. So first one is perfectly elastic demand. A demand is perfectly elastic when, see, almost no change in price causes infinite change in demand. In the graph, there is almost no change in price. The price is, suppose, P. Okay, and the demand is continuously changing. Here, the demand is Q1, then Q2. Such demand is called perfectly elastic demand, and in this case the elasticity of demand is infinite. Okay, when almost no change in price leads to infinite change in demand, continuous change in demand. Now next is perfectly inelastic demand. Considerable change in price causes no change in demand. The price is changing continuously, but the demand is same. Okay, the price here is P1, again here price is P2. So price is changing continuously, but because of some reason the demand is not changing, the demand is same. So in this case, since the demand is not changing at all, so here elasticity of demand is 0. Okay, now next is unit elastic demand. In this case, proportionate change in demand is equal to proportionate change in price. Change in demand and change in price are equal. And this demand curve is not a linear demand curve, it is a rectangular hyperbola in which you see at every point, at point R or at point S or at any other point on this demand curve, the demand will be, elasticity of demand will be 1. Okay, when change in demand is equal to proportionate change in price. Next is inelastic demand. Demand is said to be inelastic when percentage change in demand is less than percentage change in price. This is the percentage change in price. The price is changing from P1 to P2. And what is the change in demand? Very small. Change in demand is Q1 to Q2. When proportionate change in demand is less than proportionate change in price, then elasticity of demand is less than 1, and it is called inelastic demand. Then elastic demand. When percentage change in demand is greater than percentage change in price. This is the opposite of inelastic demand. You see, change in price is this. Price is changing from P1 to P2, and the quantity is changing from Q1 to Q2. Change in demand is more than change in price. Elasticity is more than 1. Okay.